want to start off by thanking ADP and all of their sales reps for choosing ClockShark as the partner to work with in the entire marketplace. Right, so winning sales choice hasn't been an easy feat, but it's worth more than any other reward in the marketplace, at least in my opinion. Right, so we were able to pull it off using a few simple tactics that you'll be able to take back to your team and start implementing tomorrow. 3 primary ones is our communication, our vertical focus, and that we're salespeople as well, right? So on the communication, right, we respond to referrals that the reps send, and within 30 minutes or less, we send updates about the deal, about the prospect from our end to them every step of the way. Like if I have a call with one of the prospects, I send an update to the prospect and the ADP rep, letting them know how everything's going, right? We do strat calls with the ADP reps. We do code demos. We do debriefs after the demos. We follow up on implementation, all of the steps along the way. We keep them updated. Social validation, right? So we post a lot on LinkedIn about the wins that we've had, strategies that we've used, the gaps that we filled, and we tag the ADP rep that we worked in, we tag ADP, and we use the hashtags that they renew every year. Like Built to Win, for example, is this year's hashtag from ADP, so we use that on LinkedIn. So go and connect with ADP reps, go and connect with the VPs and any other leaders within the ADP ecosystem so that they can start seeing the content and see the wins and all the activity that you guys are doing. On the vertical focus part, right? Some companies, I get it. You guys have a general product that you serve across many industries. But the problem with that is you're being the jack of all trades for the ADP sales rep, and they don't know when to offer you up, right? So let's say that you are really good in the medical industry, but there's already an app in the marketplace, just like yours, that serves medical, but you can go win business in hospitality. Then go serve hospitality, right? Have ADP be the source of business for your hospitality arm of your business, right? Because what will happen is the ADP rep will pick a niche. And let's say their niche is hospitality, but your service isn't really offered yet. So you can go and fill that niche with them and then go run with that rep. You will be part of their app deck. Don't screw that up. Your reputation within the marketplace is extremely important amongst the sales reps, because if you don't do great, if you don't communicate and don't do all those things, word will spread and they'll not want to work with you anymore. Last but not least, we're sales reps. We're business people. We want to win business as well. So treat that referral as such. It's a lead. It's your lead, right? Take over the sales process for your product. Don't lean on the ADP rep to sell your product for you. You know your product. You know how your customers like to buy. You control your end of things and be detailed in your approach. Advice to anyone trying to grow in the ADP marketplace, right? It takes time, consistency, and grit. It's not something that you can just throw Google ad dollars at and it grow overnight. It takes time. It took ClockShark almost a year to become kind of a household name in the ADP marketplace just for construction. And that was before we won the award last year, right? So don't get discouraged if you're new and trying to find your place. Stay the course, trust the process, and you'll get there.